Now move on. Next paragraph. During his school days, he borrowed science books from college students and read them. Thus, from his early days, he showed great interest in science. Unfortunately, he used to fall sick every now and then, and he was not able to attend school regularly. In spite of his poor health, he got first class in his matriculation examination. When he was only a boy of 12, he completed his matriculation examination. In this paragraph, we see Raman borrowed science book from his college students. It shows he was very much interested in science. Unfortunately, Raman falls sick every now and then. That means Raman's health was broken. So sometimes he was absent to the class because of his ill health. So Raman was not going to school regularly. In spite of his poor health, he got first class in his matriculation examination when he was only a boy of 12. Means, in spite of Raman's poor health, he got his matriculation examination in the first class at the age of 12. Matriculation means he passing the national board examination or the state board examination, that called matriculation examination. Why was Raman not able to attend the school regularly? Raman was fallen sick every now and then. He was not able to attend school regularly. Now we know the system of education in our Karnataka. All your study like all these LKG, UKG, 1 to 5th, 6 to 7th, 8 to 10th, first PUC to second PUC, BA or BSc, MA or MSc. What does LKG stands for? LKG means lower kindergarten. UKG stands for upper kindergarten. 1 to 5th lower primary. 6 to 7 higher primary. 8 to 10 high school. First PUC and second PUC called as college. BA or BSc studied in UG course. UG means undergraduate course. BA stands for Bachelor of Arts. BSc stands for Bachelor of Science. MA and MSc are PG course. MA means Master of Arts. MSc means Master of Science. These are PG, postgraduate course. All of you understand the education system. Borrowed means getting from others. In this paragraph, we see some prefixes. Prefix is a word it adding before the word. Prefixes are like this: in, ir, un, in, mis, miss, dis, dis, non, non, ig, ig. Here are the some prefixes. Give suitable prefix for the following: fortunate, unfortunate, use, unused, able, unable, regular, irregular. Here are the some phrases in this paragraph. The first one is in spite of. In spite of, Ram passed his matriculation examination in the first class. Made up of, Raman made up of mind to study science. Give up, I give up my all bad habits. Now let's move on the third paragraph. Raman passed the intermediate examination from Hindu College and joined Presidency College, Madras for his BA. His relatives wanted him to give up science and take history and economics as his special subjects for BA. Since Raman had made up his mind to study science, he took physics. He passed his BA, securing the first rank and a number of prizes. He passed his MA in physics in January 1907. In this paragraph, Raman passed the intermediate examination from Hindu College. Intermediate means HSC, Higher Secondary Education. He was passed the intermediate examination from Hindu College. Next, he joined the Presidency College, Madras for his BA. BA stands for Bachelor of Arts. His relatives wanted him to give up science and take history and economics as his special subjects for BA. Raman relatives sometimes advised to give up science and take history and economics as his special subjects for BA because Raman broken is L. Sometimes he fallen sick, so that was very difficult to study science. So his relatives advised him to give up science and take BA. It is very easy to pass and getting the job. He took physics. He passed his BA, securing the first rank. So Raman give up science and take BA and securing the first rank. That means he passed the BA examination in first rank. Securing means obtain or get, and Raman get number of prizes in the college. He passed his MA. MA stands for Master of Arts. So Raman passed his MA in January 1907. This is the Hindu College. Here Raman studied BA. This is the Presidency College of Madras. Raman studied in MA in this college and he got first rank. Where did Raman complete his intermediate examination? Raman completed his intermediate examination from Hindu College. What subjects did his relative advise him to take for BA? His relatives advised Raman to give up science and take for BA in history and economics. Here are some home assignment questions. All of you return the answer. Tomorrow I will check. Thank you.